don't. Some of the sisters looking at me like, who the hell?
She smell like peaches.
But it's all good. So we're going to do something like that. You know what? Give it up for Signature Sounds and Candi. Sugarfoot Herbal. So we're going to do. See, don't make me over. Don't make me over. Don't make me over. Don't make me over. Don't make me over now. Don't make me over now. Don't make me over. Don't make me, don't make me, don't. Come on, y'all, act like you partied in the 90s at least a little bit. You know what? Give me a hand. Come on, give me a clap. Come on like this. Come on. I don't know, Ham. Come on, act like you want to have a good time. If you got your arms to your side, I know you forgot your deodorant. Y'all a little scared. Come on. There we go. Come on, Larry. Come on, everybody. I just want to say, I wish you, in 2013, I wish you all the peace, the happiness, and the joy, and the prosperity that you deserve. Now, if I don't sing the words right, I'm in celebration mood, you guys, too, okay? Let's go there. So I want everybody to listen to this. I want you to say, hey, don't. Come on. Don't. And then we go like this. Don't. And he says, don't make me, don't make me, don't make me, don't make me over. Now that you know how I adore you. Don't make me over. Don't make me over. Now that I do anything for you. The verse says, don't pick on the things I say. Let me hear you say it with me. The things I do to love me with all my soul. The way I love you. Don't make me over. Now that I can't make it without you. Don't make me over. I wouldn't change one thing about you. Just take me inside your arms and hold me tight. I don't know where be first time. Whether you're wrong or right, I'm begging you. Don't make me over. Don't make me over. Now that you know how I adore you. Why he's gone away, and I don't know where he can be, my baby. How many of y'all gonna find him in 2013? I don't know. You know what they said? Finally, it happened to me right in front of my face. Cannot. Come on, everybody. Finally. Right in front, not too late. I don't know. You know what? Oh, I heard that. Say don't. Say down. Give it up for Candi. I love Candi. My baby. So we're gonna do like this. You know what? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're joyful and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're joyful and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're joyful and you know it, stomp your feet. If you got a piece, wave your hand. 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 I wish you a Merry Christmas. 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 Oh, holy night. Oh, silent night. 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 Here we go. Oh, holy night. Oh, silent night. Yeah. Oh, holy night. There you go. Oh, silent night. Come on. Oh, holy night. Oh, silent night. 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 Oh, holy, holy, holy. Oh, silent, silent, silent. Oh, holy, holy, holy. Oh, silent, silent, silent. Oh, holy, holy, holy. Oh, silent, silent, silent. Oh, holy, holy, holy. Oh, you know what? I know the song said, "Don't make me over." But I'm going to say this. That's saying we don't want man to make us over. But see, I don't know about you, but the God that I serve says, I'm going to relinquish who I am to him. And it says, make me over. And so, when I say don't make me over, I'm talking about man. You guys that walk on 2 feet or half a leg or whatever you want to call it. But when it comes down to it, when you know whose you are, you walk through this life differently. And so, when I say don't make me over, I'm not saying that I'm okay with man making me over. Man meaning man, non-descriptive gender. But I'm saying that I'm asking to be used in a way that's real powerful and real mighty. So, I know we're in hands tonight, and y'all might not understand where I'm coming from. But I gotta stop acting like I don't know whose I am sometimes. And remember whose I am all the time. And so, you know what it goes. I wanna be made over, yeah. I wanna be made over. Not by human hands, not by any man's hand, but by my God's hand. I say, make me over, make me over, make me over. There we go. Make me over, make me over. How many of you can sing it like that? How many of you are okay with being made over? How many of you know that